Been busy the last couple of days answering tech support calls, but I think I finally got caught up enough that I can get some content put out there for you guys that want to continue working on your Blender stuff. Um, so today, what I'd like you to work on is a review of your Blender and make sure that you can fire up Blender and navigate and get around in there and do the things that we've already done in class. Kind of review the last assignments and make sure that you're still able to do those. As a quick review here, um, I'm going to just run through a couple things for you. So once you get Blender started up, just basically work with some navigation, select, move, rotate, scale, make sure you move objects around, select objects, delete objects with the X, if you remember that, orbit around, get orthographic views, perspective views, add objects in there, meshes, planes, different things. So once you play around with that a little bit, work on shortcuts. And you hit G to grab things, R to rotate things, S to scale things, Shift A. You can use Shift A to basically pull down your select menu so you don't have to go up and click on add, and try all that stuff out. Make sure that you can still do the things that we have already covered in class, and then you'll be ready for the next video. In the next video, what we're going to be doing is selecting some text to put in a video. So we're going to make a video, a 720p video. So basically what we're going to do is create some assets for that. So we're going to learn how to make 3D text in Blender, move it around, color it, rotate it, get some lights on it, the camera on it, do a little animation with it, and then we'll be ready to basically do a little video editing with it. So anyway, that's what I have for this video. Thanks for your time.